So today I have taken an important question which was asked by UPSC in 2025, and this question is a smell as a signal among non-human primates. So how to write answer about that question? So this question is for a 10 marker and we will have to write our answer within 150 words. So basically how to write introduction, here you try to learn how to write introduction. तो किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो फॉर द राइटिंग ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन व्हाट वी नीड है ना, हाउ विल डू इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर द राइटिंग ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन. सो फर्स्ट थिंग कि you will have to understand about that topic, है ना, which topic that belongs. तो smell as a signal among non-human primate that belongs from primate, but in primate we will have to study about many subtopics. So that is related with primate adaptation, that is related with primate evolution, that is related with primate social behavior, right? So when you try to write about your introduction, so keep in mind in introduction these three important aspects related to primate you will have to mention. Here I say that the smell, the role of smell is very important for the understanding of primate adaptation. It is also important for the understanding of primate evolution, and it is also important for the understanding of primate social behavior, है ना. So when we write about our introduction, so you can simply write your introduction. Smell is a primitive mode of adaptation significant for the understanding of evolutionary adaptation and social communication in non-human primate, right? यानी तीन इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ को यहाँ पर फोकस करना है. फर्स्ट के दैट इज प्रिमिटिव मोड ऑफ एडेप्टेशन इन non-human primate, that is significant for the understanding of primate evolutionary trend, and it has very important role in social communication in non-human primate. So this is introduction. After that, when we are talking about our structure, what we will write in our structure, so first you should have to write about evolutionary significance, right? Evolutionary significance of a smell, right? Second, for the primate adaptation, here you try to understand about primate adaptation. So this is very important for a understanding of predator avoidance in non-human primate, basically in prosimian and monkey. And second, it has very important role for food search. Yani two important aspect here you should have to mention. And third important thing here, you should have to mention about olfactory social communication, right? And fourth, reproductive behavior, and next territorial identification. So we need to explain about these 5 important points related to smell as a signal among non-human primate for writing our answer. इस 5 का डिस्कशन करना है ना. We will have to discuss these 5 important points, right? So first important thing is that a smell has great evolutionary significance in non-human primate, because when we study about primate evolution or evolutionary trend in primate, so we find that there was continuous reducing tendency in olfactory bulb in non-human primate. Means here you can see कि olfactory bulb that is greater in prosimian, less in monkey and less in ape, है ना. तो कॉन्टिन्यूस क्या हो रहा, इसमें रिड्यूस हो रहा. वाई दैट? सो दैट गिव अस अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट significance, the role of smell, the function of smell for primate evolution, for the primate adaptation. Because here if you try to see about the prosimian, so prosimian is nocturnal, right? prosimian क्या है? nocturnal है, active in night. So prosimian mainly depend on smelling capacity for their survival, है ना. तो there was relatively large olfactory bulb in prosimian, but monkey, ape, and even we are human being have color vision, and we have large and developed and complex brain. So we depend on our visionary perception, because monkey, ape and man are diurnal. We active in daylight, right? So we more depend on visionary perception than olfactory bulb. तो इसमें reducing हो रहा. So that give us insight about for the understanding of primate evolution, and it has evolutionary significance for the understanding of the function of smell in non-human primate. Second important thing here you have to explain primate adaptation, है ना. So for the adaptation with our environment, so first important thing is that primate अगर फिजिकली आप अंडरस्टैंड करने का प्रयास करेंगे तो प्राइमेट्स आर वेरी वीक एनिमल, है ना. सो हाउ दे सर्वाइव, राइट? तो दे आर ऑलवेज सफरिंग फ्रॉम डेंजर्स related to predator animal. So how they decide that particular animal is predator or non-predator, right? So they decide about the predator animal on the basis of odor or cues from the body of animal, right? So here the role of smell is also very important, because primates are social animal, right? And they survive. How to save their life from predator attack? So here they also utilize a smelling capacity for the identification of animal. That particular animal is predator or non-predator on the basis of odor or on the basis of cues or on the basis of a smell from that particular animal, right? तो इसको डिस्कस करना है. Then here food search. वी कांट सर्वाइव विदाउट फूड, है ना, क्योंकि फूड क्या है एनिमल बीइंग के लिए, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट aspect. We can't survive without food. So how they decide, how they take decision in the matter of food? So basically when they search food, right, so here you can try to understand about that tarsier, that is a very important prosimian. So tarsier has ability to identify hidden food on the basis of smell, यानी स्मेलिंग कैपेसिटी के आधार पर वो फूड को एक तरह से सर्च करते हैं। दूसरा कि कंजम्पशन ऑफ फूड, की पर्टिकुलर फूड जो है उसको हम कंज्यूम करें या नहीं करें, है ना, पॉइजनस है या नॉन पॉइजनस है, हाउ दे डिसाइड? सो दे डिसाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओडोर और क्यूज from fruit when they try to eat particular fruit. So they decide that is non-poisonous and that is healthy food for them on the basis of smell. So here you can also discuss about the role of smell for that. And third, here when we talk about the olfactory social communication, so smell is very a strong mode of social communication in non-human primate because their affiliative behavior, their kin identification, their group identification, age identification, rank identification, health condition and genetic relatedness all are decided on the basis of odor, है ना। कैसे वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर जो मेंबर है दैट रिलेटेड विथ आवर वेरी क्लोज रिलेटिव, है ना, हाउ मदर डिसाइड देयर चिल्ड्रेन, हाउ ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर डिसाइड दे बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम वेरी क्लोज kin group. So they decide on the basis of odor, cues or smell. Here try to understand. In such way, when they decide about the kin or non-kin, how they take decision on the basis of kin or non-kin, identification of kin or non-kin identification. So here the role of odor, role of cues, role of smell is also very important. Third, group identification, that particular member belongs from our group or a stranger. So here the role of smell is also very important because Jane Goodall, here you can mention about an important case study which was done by Jane Goodall in Combe National Park in Africa. So try to mention that case study. She find that chimpanzees take decision in the matter of a strange member on the basis of odor, है ना। चिंपांजी कोई स्ट्रेंज, कोई बाहरी आउटसाइडर अगर उसके ग्रुप में आ गया चिंपांजी, सो दैट डिसाइडेड दैट इज आउटसाइडर, दैट इज a stranger on the basis of a smell from their body, and so here the role of smell is also very important. You will have to discuss. And other important thing, rank, identification of rank, because in social behavior of non-human primate we study about dominance hierarchy. So how they decide that particular individual is dominant, belongs from higher rank social status. So here they also decide on the basis of smell. Age group, the age, that is also decided on the basis of smell, and genetic relatedness, that is also decided on the basis of smell. So here we can say that the role of olfactory social communication that based on smell, and therefore non-human primate survive through social grouping due to the function of smelling capacity. And then you can discuss about reproductive behavior, right? So sexual signal, है ना? Because in stress period, heat period, female have different kinds of odor from her body, right? And that advertise that odor to male for sexual intercourse. So females are sexually receptive in stress period, and male decided that on the basis of odor from that particular female. So reproductive behavior of non-human primate that also decided on the basis of smelling capacity. And टेरिटोरियल आइडेंटिफिकेशन, है ना? तो टेरिटोरियल आइडेंटिफिकेशन, ऑल्फैक्टिव सोशल कम्युनिकेशन, रिप्रोडक्टिव बिहेवियर, फॉर दैट 3 important थिंग, द रोल ऑफ सेंट मार्किंग, है ना, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना? सेंट मार्किंग, on the basis of scent marking they identify their particular territory, and they also decide on the basis of that scent marking about their mating partner, how they take decision on the basis of sexual reproduction or decision of mating partner. The role of smell is also very important. I also discuss about olfactory social communication and affiliated behavior. So hugging, kissing, grooming, that all things decided on the basis of scent marking, smell, and therefore the role of smell is very important among non-human primate. And lastly, you should have to write your conclusion. So on the basis of that discussion, we can see that the role of smell is very important for the understanding of primate adaptation, primate evolutionary trend, primate social behavior, and primate survival, right? Primate survive on the basis of their smelling capacity, and therefore smell is fundamental mode of their adaptation, their evolution, their social communication, and therefore it is very important for them, right? So on the basis of that, you will be able to write your answer. Thank you.